On Haven 1, the tubes I work on touch every aspect of the vehicle. Think of it like the blood veins that connect every organ in your body. The station relies on over 2,000 feet of tubing to support systems like cabin pressure control, life support, propulsion, and thermal control.
When Haven 1 reaches orbit, when its thrusters fire, when people are living and working inside, breathing clean and healthy air, all of that traces back to this room.
As a hardware and manufacturing company, engineers and technicians work side by side. A question that would normally cost days or even weeks gets answered by simply walking across the room.
That's what a fast and iterative aerospace company needs to run a tube shop in-house, where fabrication, welding, inspection, testing, and integration all happen under one roof.
This is precision work. 300 unique tube assemblies are on Haven 1, and each of them need to fit to the vehicle exactly as designed.
The space environment is unforgiving. Launch loads, pressure swings, temperature extremes, they all demand a level of precision far beyond standard manufacturing. And as we build more infrastructure like space station modules, high-power satellites, and lunar habitats, this shop stays at the center of every vast program.